Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and Ramzan Mubarak to all of you. Hope you all will be fine and safe. This is our last lecture of chapter 6 Enzymes. In this lecture, we will discuss the last topic, that is specificity of enzymes. Before starting the new topic, a short recap of the previous one. In the previous lecture, we have discussed the factors affecting the rate of enzyme action, and we have discussed the three factors: temperature, pH, and substrate concentration, along with their graphs. And the second topic was mechanism of enzyme action, and in this topic, we have discussed lock and key model and induced fit model. Our today's topic is specificity of enzymes. So, what is enzyme specificity? It is an ability of an enzyme to choose exact substrate. It is a molecular recognition mechanism. How it is molecular recognition mechanism? It means the active sites have specific shape and the substrates also have a specific shape. So these molecules, they will recognize each other and then bind with one another, and in this way enzymes can perform their action. So there is a structural complementarity between the active site and the substrate. Almost 2000 known types of enzymes are there, and each enzyme, it is specific for a particular type of chemical reaction, and enzymes, they are also specific for their substrates. Different types of chemical reactions, they occur in the living organisms, like digestion, like respiration, like cellular respiration, excretion. So in all these chemical reactions, different types of enzymes are involved, and each chemical reaction has a particular set of enzymes. Similarly, each enzyme, they will bind to a particular substrate. For example, if we can if you remember the example of digestion, in the process of digestion, different types of enzymes are involved, and these enzymes, they play their role in digesting the complex organic molecules like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, etc. For example, protease is an enzyme. The protease enzyme, it will digest the proteins. It will not work on the starch. Similarly, lipase is an enzyme that only acts on the lipids. It will not act on the carbohydrates. It will not act on the proteins. So, enzymes, they are very specific to their substrates. Specificity of different enzymes is determined by the shapes of their active sites. All the enzymes, they have active sites, and all the active sites, they have specific shapes. Due to this specific geometric shape of the active site, a particular substrate can only fit to that active site. Here you can see a figure on your screen. In this figure, there are three types of enzymes, and you can see each enzyme has its own specific active site. The shape of the active site of all these three enzymes is different. So, due to this specificity, this specific geometric shape of active sites, they can bind to a particular substrate. It not will happen that the enzyme 3, it will bind with the substrate of the enzyme 1, and the enzyme 1, it will bind with the substrate of the enzyme 2. Rather, every enzyme, according to its own specific active site shape, will bind to their particular substrates, and this will describe the specificity of enzymes. Here our chapter ends. Now we will move on the exercise. I have write down the MCQ questions answers on your, you can see on your screen. And number 2, your assignment is to attempt all the exercise questions on your in your register or on the loose sheets, whatsoever you feel is comfortable or easy for you. Last but not the least, the most important thing of this video is I have mentioned the important questions from the federal board past papers, and I have also mentioned the years in from 2019 to 2015. Although some of the questions they're repeating, but from these questions you can easily understand how differently the same topic questions comes in the exams. And I will suggest you, all of you, please attempt these questions on your need on your registers or loose sheets. This will help you from your exams point of view. Thank you so much. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you. Allah Hafiz.